Hello everyone, my name is Ali Mustafa and I am a Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation Consultant. I create this channel to help people learn Dynamics 365 F&O, starting from the basic setup and configuration all the way to real-life business process. In today's video, we will learn how to access the Microsoft Virtual Machine and get an overview of the Dynamics 365 dashboard and module and see how to create a legal entity. So let's get started and learn how to open the Microsoft Virtual Machine. To open the virtual machine for Microsoft Dynamics, you will go to Microsoft Dynamics Learn or by filtering or the Finance, Dynamics 365 Finance, open the first one, or it will be easy. If I going to Google, it will be better. Type MP3010. This certification is related to finance consultant. I will select the second one. Just let me change the language. This is the certification material. I will go down. This is an overview. This is the topic that the certification is cover. I will select, for example, configure financial management. I will go down, get start with Dynamics 365 Finance. Click on the overview. I will click on Lab Explore Dynamics 365. Loading virtual machine. I will click on the virtual machine mode. When I click it, this screen will open for me. This is require a password. I can find the password here in the resource. For here, I will take window in the resource group. I will take the password at Woodward, copy it. I will click to enter. Click on Microsoft Edge. If the link is not loaded automatically, for example, this is a new screen, I will click on this. You can click on this, it will be cloud, or take it copy link here, click paste and enter. In the sign in here, I will click on the username, it will fill automatically. Click on next. I will change here, use your password instead. I will click on the password and click on sign in. I will click on accept. After I sign in Microsoft Dynamics virtual machine, I will find this is the dashboard for Microsoft Dynamics. I will find here a search bar. I will find here a company name. If I click on this drop list, I will find all the legal entity I have. I have Action Center. This is a notification center for any notification I received in the system. In the left side, I have the calendar. I have work item assigned to me. I have some apps here like business performance planning, Copilot for finance, inventory visibility, invoice capture. I have also the workspaces here. It's consolidated a lot of table in one place, like for example, vendor information, vendor bidding, purchase order confirmation. Also, I have the modules here for accounts payable, accounts receivable, like examine cash and bank management, fixed asset, general ledger, a lot of modules related to finance, supply chain, HR, production, or project. Now we will learn how to create a legal entity in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation. I will go to Modules. I will scroll down, going to Organization Administration. I will click on it. Let me collapse this all. I will click on Organization here. I will click on Legal Entity. The legal entity is used to define the company information in the system. By clicking on New, I will type the company name. For example, D365 F&O Tech, the company code DT. I will select the country or the region, for example, Saudi Arabia. I will click on OK. After the system is creating the legal entity, I will find here in the left, I will find all the legal entity under this environment. I can search from the filter by type my company name and click enter. The system is filtering for me the company I will find. I can here find the company name and company code and some another information. For example, if I need to edit any note, the search name. I have also a three checkbox here. Use financial consolidation. It's using for consolidation company and also for elimination company. I can also edit the address from here to define all the address I have for this company, the contact information for the company by clicking on added here, type description. For example, it will be phone. I will select the type phone. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. For example, this is primary. I will click yes. I can also add it. Select this will be an email address. I will type email address a at test.com, for example, and also I will check this is a primary. I have also here another information, statutory report for governmental report, a registration number to add the registration number for the system, bank information, foreign trade and logistic, number sequence if I have a number sequence, dashboard image. I can change the dashboard image. If I click on the finance and operation here, it will open for me the dashboard. I can just change this logo by editing my company logo or anything by going on the dashboard image, change from here, select logo. I'll type to change and browse and select from my desktop. I have also report company logo. This is specific for the reporting. I have something also related to the tax. And by clicking on save, now my legal entity is created. I can find it here. The system is automatically assign me to this company. I can find it here. After we learn how to access a virtual machine, navigate to Dynamics 365 dashboard, overview for the main modules, teach you how to create a legal entity. See you in the next video. Bye bye.